Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying access. Check permissions, 2FA, and that the workspace contains the target folders. Open the document File Manager and select the primary workspace. This focuses sync and search. Once done, enable versioning and sync so changes are tracked. This prevents accidental overwrites. You should also set file type filters to limit clutter, because that makes batch actions faster. Finally, confirm available storage and a stable connection. Those two factors determine how smoothly now you organize. Create a clear folder hierarchy and apply standardized names and tags so search returns precise results. Select groups of files to perform batch moves, renames, or tag assignments, because bulk actions save time and keep history intact. While executing, monitor task progress and resolve conflicts. Document File Manager will flag duplicates or permission issues. Make sure to run an index or metadata refresh after major changes. That updates the search database and prevents stale results in subsequent lookups. Finish by verifying file versions and running a final sync. Lock or set restricted permissions on critical documents to prevent edits. Export necessary files or create share links with explicit viewer or editor rights so recipients get the intended access. Once complete, test opening a few files to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong, like sync failures, check the sync logs for error codes, reconnect the account, clear the app cache, and rerun indexing. This sequence resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.